Hi everyone, I am from Sandoshka. Today I'm showing you this 1-gallon drink dispenser with a spigot. It's come really well packaged, and inside you got the glass jar in stainless steel spigot and lid. Everything feels sturdy. Just a quick note, make sure to wash all the pieces really well before adding any drinks. Now let me show you how to put it together. It's super easy, just screw it on the spigot and pop on the lid. That's all there is to it. Now we're ready to give it a try. I'm still testing it out, but so far the spigot isn't leaking and the lid seals nice and tight. It holds a full gallon, making it great for parties or just keeping your drinks handy in the fridge. The stainless steel parts are rust-proof, so that's a plus for durability. After washing all the pieces, now I'm going to fill it with my drink and some ice. Let's pour a glass and make sure there are no leaks. It also comes with a small chalkboard tag and a white marker, so you can write the name of your drink, erase it, and rewrite whenever you like. If you are looking for something easy to use and practical for drinks, this might be a great choice. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. If you like it, the link's down in the description. You can check it out or grab yours. Thanks for watching. Like the video, the link is in the description if you wanna check it out, and don't forget to subscribe for more.